Yes.
So pretty.
I'm repurposing a canvas today that Kathleen gave me, and I'm here with Billy from Fluid-Art Co.
Hi, Billy.
And so, yes, the TLPs, and the TLPs I'm using today are enchantments, which is stunning. I got Twinkle. I have Nebula, which I'm in love with, and we have this new so these colors are just stunning. I'm using this is the Future by Cell Activator. That I'm going to use for that. Yeah, which is Amsterdam. And Aussie Flow, yes. And
Start with Billy. What's your base? Part straight in the middle.
Contemplating. Right.
My bad.
Rally rotten.
Belly button?
Yeah.
What? Contemplating my belly button?
Oh my god.
Never. Burritos on Friday.
Never had any on Friday. I got it. You got it.
Turkey.
Crescents.
Turkey. Questions.
Quirky.
questions become confusing.
Amazing.
Confusing. Quirky questions become confusing.
And welcome, it's Kathleen from Cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I am happy you're here. I'm happy to be here. I haven't been doing a lot of painting, but I've been doing a lot of learning. Some of my favorite people came down and spent 4 days with me. Darling Billy from Fluid-Art Co. and TLP came and hung out and taught me a thing or two. And my boyfriends Lee and Jeremy from Massey Art Studios came and hung out. We ate and ran around town and went down to the water and went to the casino and just relaxed and painted and hung out and talked and shared stories. And then darling Canella came all the way from Canada to hang out and relax and just enjoy each other's company. And I'm beyond grateful. My poor dog Lido is depressed. He's laying with his head hanging because all his new friends have left him. And he's been sad. But what a wonderful time. And one of the things that I did was I practiced my bloom while my friend Billy was here to give me some tidbits. I got lots and lots to learn. I've only done a few blooms and we practiced, and we had some leftover paint, and I'm hoping that I got the colors right, because Billy used some, and Canella used some, and Lee and Jeremy used some, and then I used some. So I'm just gonna do a little blooming today. We're doing a reuse canvas because this one got messed up. And that's okay. It's a nice size. It's a 10 by 10. Our base coat is in this cup right here. Our base coat is easy breezy, guys. It's straight out of the can. It is PBG Multi-Pro Interior Eggshell White. So if you want a white base coat color, this is what you use. If you want a colored base coat color, you can use your pouring medium and colorize that and get it to the right consistency. Our pouring medium today is Behr 8300 untinted house paint. And that is mixed with, what is it? 3 parts paint to 1 part JoSonja Gloss Varnish. And that's what's in all these lovely colors right here. Let's take a look. I am loving on them. Isn't that beauteous, guys? That right there is this little piggy, and that is their lagoon. Heavenly goodness. This next one is one of my favorites. Let's take a look at that goodness right there. That is TLP, and that is their Lakeside. And this is lovely. I need to find more words to describe how I feel about these colors here, guys. That is this little piggy, and that is their lily pad. Another piggy we got here, which is also beauteous. That right there is this little piggy, and that is their emerald. And then in this cup right here, I have, let's take a look at it. It's a little thicker. I might need to thin that down a little bit. That is Golden Fluids, and that is their turquoise. And our cell activator today, let's take a look at that because it's yummy as well. There you go. That is Amsterdam Acrylics, and that is their bronze. So I'm just going to put some paint down, and I'm going to be doing some swiping because I'm a swiping kind of girl. I got this this nice little palette knife here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cell activator down, and then I am going to layer my colors on top of it. And I'm gonna slowly glide it across this canvas to see what happens. Just a nice, sweet, simple, minimalistic painting, guys. So I'm glad you're here. Thanks for being here. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.